Today, I will be discussing about how to replace the activity. And if you have different activities with, let's say, for example, in construction, you have activities with some name, and you want to replace all of these at once, and you don't want it to do it one by one. So it is consuming a lot of time from you. Let's say, for example, walls. I want to replace walls with uh, columns, or let's say, for example, floors. I want to replace the word walls in all my Primavera schedule. I want to replace the walls with floors. So what I will do, I will select, I will go to my keyboard and click on Control plus R. So Control plus R. What I will do, find what? Find walls and replace it with floor. Replace it with floor. Okay. So
Okay.
I will click on replace. So you can see it has been replaced. Walls has been replaced to floor. But if I will command the Primavera to replace all the walls in my schedule to floors, so it will start automatically replacing each of the word walls by floor. So I will click on replace all. So you can see here Primavera is changing all the Primavera has changed already all the walls into floors. Let's say, for example, I will say shuttering. Change the shuttering word, replace the shuttering word by replace it with beam. Let's say, for example, replace all. So you can see Primavera has changed it within the seconds from shuttering to beams. Let's say, for example, I will say steel. Change steel to beam. So replace one, but I will say replace all. So this is how Primavera will replace the word for you in your Primavera schedule. Maybe if you have a detailed construction program, so it is like around 270 pages, 300 pages, like around 5,000 activities, 6,000 activities. So you cannot, if for instance you want, if there is some changes in your schedule, in your activities, so you can use this trick in order to replace thousands of activities names in this particular way. Just click on your keyboard Control plus R and write down the word which you want to replace, and write down the replace with the new word which you are going to replace it with, and click on replace all. So Primavera will uh, will replace it with you within seconds. So this is one of the best trick. I'm advising you. You can use it in your Primavera in order to save your time. Thank you. And for my online courses related to Primavera, I will write down in description. My WhatsApp number is there. You can contact me on WhatsApp to learn about the basic and advanced level of Primavera. Thank you so much.